everybody, welcome to Math Made Easy by Planet Spark. Let's start with the next chapter everyone, that is quadrilaterals, and in that we are doing properties and the sum properties of a quadrilateral, that is angles की sum की हम बात करेंगे. Okay, let's get started. So we know the angle sum property of a triangle everyone, right? Triangle में angles का sum क्या होता है? 180 degrees, right? Now let's look at the quadrilateral. कोई भी quadrilateral है हमारे पास, no matter what the quadrilateral is, we can always join one of the diagonal and divide it into two triangles everybody, right? I know इस triangle के angles का sum है 180, इस triangle के angles का sum है 180. If I just add up all the angles of these triangles, all 6 angles, so what do I get here? This angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. That is, I end up getting the 4 angles of the quadrilateral. तो उनका sum क्या होगा? The sum of angles of these two triangles, right? So I can say from here, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 180 plus 180, that is 360 degree. So that is what the angle sum property of quadrilateral is, कि चारों angle का sum क्या होगा? 360 degree. ठीक है, triangle से we can prove it here. So quadrilateral में 4 angles है, we all know. Sum क्या होगा? 360 degree. From where we have got it? By dividing it into 2 triangles. अब use कहाँ होती है? Sum of angles there, the angle sum property. Yes, triangle में कहाँ use करते थे? Let's say 2 angles are given, we can find the third one. In quadrilateral also, missing angle को find करने के लिए we'll use the angle sum property. Okay, and it applies to all the quadrilateral. Square है, rectangle है, rhombus है, kite है, parallelogram है. No matter what type of quadrilateral we have there, हमेशा the property will hold true. Okay, चलिए जी, directly आते हैं questions से. Questions पे. Okay, so we have the first one here. 3 angles are 90, 80 and 70 in a quadrilateral. We have to find the fourth one. So let's say 90 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree. Fourth angle क्या होगा? तो क्या use करेंगे? Angle sum property. So sum of all 4 angles is 360. So 90 plus 70 plus 80 plus the missing angle, let's say that is x, that is equal to 360 degrees. Simplify कर देंगे easily. So tell me in the comments everybody, what are we getting here? Yes? Okay, let's verify now that you are done with it. So we have got here 240 degrees plus x is equal to 360. So x is 120 degrees. So that is the measure of the fourth angle and that's the right answer. Okay, next question. Angles are 95, 85 and 100. Find the fourth one. Simple, angle sum property. So we can write also by angle sum property for quadrilaterals. We can say the sum of 4 angles is what? 360 degrees. क्या क्या given है हमें? 95 degree, 85 degree, 100 degree, and let's say the fourth angle is x, the missing one. So we can find the value of x from here. 360 degree minus the sum of these. So what will be the sum of these 3 angles everybody? 180 and 100, so 280 directly, let's say I'm writing here. Okay, sum of these two is 180, then 100, 280 degree. So we have got here 80 degrees. Just write it again. So the fourth angle will have the measure 80 degrees. Okay, next one. Angles are in the ratio 3:4:5:6. Find them. Okay, अब ratio given है, तो what can we do there? Yes, same angle or we can say same value के multiples में we can imagine the exact values to be, right? Ratio given होती है जब भी हमें, let's say ratio 1:2. So I can take the exact values to be 1 into x and 2 into x, right? Multiples of the same value. right? Okay then. So from here I can say that if that is the ratio, then let the angles be 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. These are the exact values there. Okay, in terms of a common multiple there. Okay. Now what do I know? Now the angle sum property. So let's apply that. So by using the angle sum property, we can say the sum of these four angles is equal to 360 degree. So let's use that. 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 360 degrees. Quickly tell me in the comments everybody, what are we getting from here? Yes, sum लेंगे इन सबका, x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारे पास. So that will be 18x is equal to 360 degree. So x will be 20 degrees. Is that the answer? No. क्या पूछा है हमें? The angles. x की वैल्यू आ गई तो यहाँ substitute करेंगे and we'll find the angles there. So this will be 3 into 20, 60 degree. 4 into 20, 80 degree. 5 into 20, 100 degree. 6 into 20, 120 degrees. You can verify by taking the sum also. चारों को add करो, it will come out to be 360 degree. So these are the corresponding angles and that's the right answer. Okay. चलिए next one. One angle is 120 degree, others are equal. Find each. Okay. एक quadrilateral है अपने पास. This angle is 120 degree. बाकी तीन equal हैं. Let's say all of them are equal to x. So how can we find them? By using angle sum property again. What can I say? Sum of all four angles is 360 degree. So लिख देंगे sum 120 degree plus x plus x plus x. So we have got the value of x as 240 degree by 3. Yes, what is the value everybody? 80 degrees. So rest three angles का sum क्या होगा? 80 degrees. And that's the right angle. So each angle will be 80 degree, not the sum of three. Each angle will have the measure 80 degree. Okay, next one. Can quadrilateral have all right angles? Let's see what will happen then. चलिए जी, एक quadrilateral लेंगे. चारों एंगल राइट एंगल्स होंगे. लेट्स चेक एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई हो रही है या नहीं. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 4 into 90, that is equal to 360 degree. So yes, it is possible. So what will happen then? Yes, the angle sum property is being satisfied, so all four angles can be right angles, and in this the quadrilateral can be a square or a rectangle. Okay, about the sides we don't know the properties, so angle से we can deduce square होगा या rectangle होगा, वही होते हैं हमारे पास all four right angles. So yes, that is possible क्योंकि angle sum property still satisfy हो रही है. Okay, so that was all everybody. Right, quite an easy part in quadrilateral. We'll move to the difficult part there. So let's quickly summarize. Sum of interior angles क्या होंगे quadrilateral का? Always 360 degrees. This property is derived by dividing a quadrilateral into two triangles. और triangle की angle sum property हमें पता है. Sum of angles is 180 degrees. Okay. हर टाइप के quadrilateral में we can use this property and we can find the missing angle using this. Okay, the unknown angle. Okay, that was all everybody. Try more questions and tag me in the comments if you have an interesting question there.